Hello, this is Aaron Maller from Parallax, and this is just a quick video to go over the prototype functionality for the new Seater application. So far, we're just focused on placing the seating, and we want to support various different ways for where the seating will go. So we have a boundary zone defined by lines. I've got a boundary zone defined by a filled region, and we also have a floor or a roof sketch that could possibly define one as well. We have the base functionality working now so that the center-to-center row spacing and chair spacing allows you to input them. And as an example, if we say fill this zone with chairs and align them with this line, you'll see that the preview starts to show you where the chairs will go, and it uses whatever you've selected for family and type. You can offset them from the reference line as well. That way, if your reference line is not actually in the zone, or if you need to adjust the row halfway, you can do that as shown. You can also move the justification up to one aisle or the other, or you can center it inside your filled region or, again, your line segments as well. One of the things I'm the most excited about, if we hit run, of course, then it just places all the chairs. I'm still going to have it do some boundary cleanup to identify what it should do with the overrunning chairs. We'll do that a little later. But what I'm also very excited about is that we have the concentric arcs working as well. And because of the way a lot of theater and church layout goes, we deliberately want to be able to control the rows of the seating independently from the boundaries. So if we have a boundary and then a reference, what we're calling a reference line for the arc, you'll see here that we can align the chairs so that they're looking at the center of this arc as they get placed. I'm still working on another option where if we use the line segments as an example, it's the same shape, I'm just using it to do another demo. We're going to have an option for straight rows as well. Now when we do it here, it just basically uses the chord, but we're going to have it break the chord up into specific segments so that if you're doing straight rows inside a theater that's based on an arc, we'll be able to do that as well. And of course, that didn't work correctly because they are still looking at the center of the circle, so we'll have to address that as well. But all in all, it's coming along. We still have to build the updater, which is going to store all of this data in extensible storage. So this will basically be what we're calling a seating arrangement. And that way, if somebody comes in and needs to adjust this item, we'll be able to hit update the seating and have it update them. Of course, that's not doing anything right now because it's not built. But on the whole, really happy that we got the concentric arc thing working. And it does also work if you select the edge of a floor as well. Whoops, if we say concentric arcs, and flip the other way. We can do it that way, so if you've modeled individual seating risers, that will work as well. So it's not done yet, but so far the prototype is working really well.